Hi, today in this video you will learn how to use card in Jetpack Compose. So let's get started. First we create our project. Here I'm selecting empty activity. Click on next, name of your project and click on finish. So in Android Jetpack, Card Composable is used to display its content on a raised surface. So it is a card view. So let's use Card Composable. So first we create a composable method and name it card example. So first we create column that will arrange our elements vertically. Now we use card composable here. So this card composable has elevation property. So by using that we can display shadow effect. If we are using material 3, then here we use card defaults dot card elevation. So here we set the elevation parameter with the required value in dp. Now we use text composable that will display on card. And you can styling your text. So here we use modifier. And here we call the method. Now run the project. So here you can see the output, our card, and it's showing shadow for 4dp. Now if you want to provide the shape, then here we use shape parameter. And here I am using rounded cut corner shape with 20%. So here you can see the cut corner shape. If you can change the percentage. Here I've increased the percentage. So here you can see the rounded corner shape of the card. If you want to add border, then here we use border parameter and use border stroke. Now provide the color of the border. Here I'm providing black color. So here you can see card with border, and you can provide multiple tags in the card view. So here you can see the card with multiple tags. Now if you want to change the color of the background, then here we use color parameter, and inside this card colors we use container color. So here we select yellow color. Now run the project. So here you can see card background color has changed.
Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.